Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on Instagram. Let's launch the Instagram app. You want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then you want to head to the top and click on the three straight lines. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. I'm going to give you a pro tip, a shortcut that will easily get you where you want to go. You want to click on the search bar and you want to type history. The first thing that will pop out is the search history. You want to click on it. And then we will be sent to our search history profile. Here we are going to be able to review and manage our search history not only on Instagram but also in Facebook if you have a particular Facebook page or account linked to this as well. So if you click on the lower middle side of the screen on clear all searches, you will be left with three options. You'll be able to delete your search history within the last hour of search, yesterday, and all of your search history. It is very important to be mentioned that removing the search history on this device that we're currently on will remove the search history on every device that is currently logged in through this account. So if you look for something on the tablet or on your MacBook through the same account, once when you click delete here on the phone, will be wiped out on every device. So you want to make sure that you're aware of that. Some functions are not working the same way on other apps. I can tell you this. So choose your option and you can proceed. Very important also to be mentioned is that if you want to download your data from Instagram, you should request this in advance, simply because Instagram takes a while to prepare and send you a special link with your data and your information. So if you expect to request downloading your data and get it right away, it does not work this way. So give it some time and let them know in advance. But this is how you delete your search history on Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.